welcome to FreeCAD tutorial, and in this tutorial we will learn how we can rotate the sketch in FreeCAD. So before starting the tutorial, if you like my method of teaching, then you can support me on coffee.com. Your small support will help this channels to grow. You can buy me a cup of coffee. You can also visit my website mechnexus.com, where I write articles and tutorials on FreeCAD. So let's start our tutorial. So I will create a new file, create a new body, and create a sketch on this front plane. I am going to draw a very simple rectangle, and I will give it a dimension 100 and horizontal 200. Now if I wanted to rotate this sketch, then select the sketch, go to the property manager, here in attachment section. If you change this angle, so you can see that the sketch is changing with respect to I change the angle here. You can give the negative angle or you can do the positive angle as per your requirement. So if I wanted to change my position of this sketch is at 60 degree, so you can see that position has been changed, and now I can simply create a pad, and even after the created the solid, I can go to the property manager, of my sketch property manager, and still after creation of solid I can change the angle and click on here update. So you can see that once I change the angle, even after creating the solid, and if I update it, angle is changing. So this is the very small tutorials and basically tips for the FreeCAD user how to change the sketch angle in a FreeCAD. I will come with more useful tutorial like this. I hope you have liked this tutorial, and if you like this tutorial, then please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your valuable time.